Take a look at this. This aloe vera formed a perfect ring, but the reason why is not what you might expect. Welcome to the channel. You may have noticed in my previous videos that some aloe vera plants lose their ability to produce new growth. This happens when the crown rots, but the damage doesn't spread to the rest of the plant. Once the plant heals, it can no longer produce new leaves. It simply remains alive until the existing leaves mature and eventually die. Even though the main plant can no longer grow new leaves, it can still produce pups to carry on its legacy. As I demonstrated in a previous video, when an aloe vera plant is tall, you can cut it into two sections, the crown and the root base. This method encourages both parts to produce offshoots at the same time. But in this video, I'll show you something different. If the plant isn't tall enough to be divided, you can simply leave it alone and wait for it to produce pups naturally, just like this plant here, which is already surrounded by new growth. And this doesn't only happen to larger plants, it can happen to smaller ones too. Even when they are too young to propagate, once they lose the ability to grow new leaves, they are forced to produce pups early as a way of surviving through their offspring. Once the pups are large enough and begin to crowd the pot, you can trim away the mother plant's remaining leaves to make room for new growth. And when I cleared the center, something very interesting appeared. Clustered around the base, where the original plant once grew, a perfect ring of aloe vera pups had formed. Instead of growing randomly, they arranged themselves in a natural circle, radiating outward in every direction. From above, it looks like a living crown, a colony of young plants surrounding what remains of the mother plant, ready to take over the space. Because these pups, especially the ones in the center, were previously shaded by the mother plant's leaves, they are not used to direct sunlight. If you leave them in the same spot, their leaves may turn brown from sudden exposure. They will recover and turn green again, but their growth may slow down for a while. To avoid this, you can move the pot to a partially shaded area until they have time to adjust. After a month, the transformation is incredible. Those once small pups have grown rapidly, filling the center and crowding the pot with vibrant green growth. What was once a hollow circle is now a dense, thriving colony. It just shows that once the mother plant steps aside and the pups receive enough light, they waste no time claiming the space. It's a fascinating way to see how aloe vera plants reproduce. Even when the mother plant can no longer grow from its crown, it continues its life by producing pups, creating a new generation around it. I hope you learned something from this video. This is Danny. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. God bless you.